already thinking ahead about what aging in place looks like for them. What's that mean for Annapolis housing? It's Friday, June 28th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Annapolis Real Estate Report. Baby boomers are already staying in their homes longer. Trends indicate that Generation X is also planning on housing that accommodates their need to stay in place into their golden years. They are shopping now with the future in mind, although their retirement years may be off another 20 plus years. The majority of housing stock for this purposes in Annapolis is limited. For those using mobility devices such as canes, walkers, or wheelchairs, housing stock is ridiculously limited. For mobility and physical disabilities, buyers in Annapolis looking to age in place are already encountering aging homes, structural obsolescence, inside and outside accessibility barriers, lack of main level living space such as an entry-level bedroom and a full bath. Even homes recently constructed in the area lack these basic features, so we will see an increased need for retrofitting existing inventory to create options for gaining independence and living in place to provide the best quality of life for older Annapolitans. Resale inventory this week fell to 136, with another 19 coming soon. 29 hit the market over the past week. 23 homes went under contract in 7 median days since last report. 22 homes sold in 6 days at 100% list to sold ratio. Rentals fell to 20 at $2,825 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, June 28, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.